Hello, welcome back to this channel. How are you doing, fans, and how is your day going? In this video, this is a requested video. Some people came inbox asking of how they can make money online. So with my years of experience in this online space, because I've done a lot of online businesses, so I'm going to be sharing some of the things I did, the things that can make you not less than 100k monthly in this online space. People hear about online businesses, what usually comes to their mind is scam. But listen to me, there are a lot of money to be made in this online space if you really get the right information. So in this short video, I'm going to be sharing some ways you can make money legitimately in this online space, and one of them is selling of ebooks. Ebooks are electronic books. You can call them soft copy of books. You can write your own ebook, or you meet those that have already written their ebooks, merge with them, get a fee, sell, market it, sell, and then get your own commission. It's that easy. Okay, so the next one is selling your knowledge. If there is anything you know how to do that people find it difficult, or that thing people always come to you around for solution, you can package it into a course and then sell to people online. There are people that know how to package those courses. You can also meet them for direction. Then the next on my list is selling a hot product. There are a lot of products that moves faster. We call them hot products. Products like how to clear your face with pimples, pimple cream, tummy belts, breast lifter, stay young creams, and lightening and brightening creams. Okay, then fat burning teas. These are hot products. Also POS is a hot product. So if you sell these things, you make a lot of money. I bet you believe you me, you make hell lots of money in this online space. So the next on my list is creating an online payment channel that help people to receive money from home and abroad. Okay, so it is a problem for some people that are abroad that to receive money, to send money down here. So if you can create that online payment channel, that will help them. It's a good idea, and you make very lots of money, not less than 100k every month. So the next one is building an audience by creating valuable content. Okay, using the KLT factor, which is know, like, and trust. Okay, you can create a page or use your own personal page on Facebook, on Instagram, wherever channel social media platform you want to utilize. Create that page, give out valuable information on what you know. With time, people will get to trust you. Then you can introduce a product and sell to your audience. On my list is start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a form of marketing that you help people sell their products and make commission from that product. Another one on my list is start a dropshipping business. I have done a video on dropshipping. I think I will drop the link on this in the description channel. If you have not watched that video, go and watch that video. So the next on my list is open a mini business center, where you specifically help people to apply for jobs, and also prospective core members, help them to do their registration online. Once you do this, all these things, you make a hell lot of money, more less than 100k on monthly basis. Then the next on my list is start blogging business. All these bloggers, like famous bloggers like Lindy Keja, you know how they are living big now. Blogging is a very nice business. You can, within a month plus, or even within, let me say, like 3 months, if you are really good, fast, you can learn how to do blogging business, and then you make money from it. So the next on my list is learn how to develop websites for companies. There are a lot of companies that are not online, they really need a website in order to create an online presence. So you can bridge that gap and be the person that will build a website for their online presence. So we have come to the end of this video.